I'm Dr. Bhujang Shetty, eye surgeon speaking from Narayana, Nethralaya. Most of us think that sugar is okay, sugar is harmless, sugar is innocuous, or sugar is just innocent. I've come to tell you all today that sugar is not okay, sugar is not harmless, sugar is not innocent. Sugar is toxic, sugar is dangerous, sugar is the root cause of all evil. It is implicated in almost all so-called modern metabolic diseases. So, it has been estimated that we consume 400% more than the recommended dose or amount of sugar every day. And we've been doing that for years together. And so, the world has come to this stage. Heart diseases and diabetes have shot through the roof. If we want to prevent diabetes, if you have a family history of diabetes, if you're a pre-diabetic or if you're a diabetic, you should get off sugar. That's my advice for you. So I would like to throw a challenge. I would like to request each one of you to be completely off sugar for 30 days and see what a medical miracle will happen to you. They can all be measured. You can weigh yourself, you can measure your waist, you can check your blood pressure and blood sugar at home. And if necessary, you could also go and have your blood cholesterol and lipids tested in the laboratory along with blood sugars. So if you could do this, stay away completely from sugars for 30 days and have this test done, you will see the miracle that will follow giving up sugar. So this is a request to you to take up this challenge and also spread the good word and challenge your friends and relatives and all the people that you know. Ask them to go off sugar for 30 days and see the medical benefits. Hope you will follow it. Wish you all the best.